We get this question from clients all the time. Can I eliminate all of my vitamins and mineral supplements and different types of supplements that I'm taking presently if I buy the Oceans Alive? Will it displace and, make obsolete everything else I'm taking? Well, the fact of the matter is that when you put Oceans Alive into your system, you're giving yourself a small amount, because this is so concentrated and it has every spectrum of every nutritional molecule known to historical data in it. When you're putting that in your system, your body immediately resonates as if an entire symphony is playing from the orchestra to every cell in your body. So that is a wonderful, functional, foundational food to take. This is a whole food. This is not considered a supplement. This is a whole food. Although it comes in a dropper bottle, it is looking like a supplement and we have to call it a supplement, but it's actually a whole nano food. And it's got every nutritional molecule in it known to man, as I said earlier. So when you put that in your body, you are giving yourself the material to produce everything you need. But it's more like a deep level reset. So that does not mean that you don't take any other supplements at all. It just means that you can be very selective. So the Oceans Alive comes in at the very number one spot, period, in the world for anything you could possibly take to bring your health up to the levels you want to be at, which is of course top level. But other different nutrients like A, D, K, there's all kinds of things that are out there. Just make sure that what you're taking is not synthetic. Your supplements should never come from a synthetic source. Even though synthetic vitamins will register with your brain as what they are not anywhere even close to having a naturally formed vitamin. So make sure your supplements are coming from all natural places, no synthetics at all. And the Oceans Alive sets the pace for your whole body on what's going to resonate with you. So the answer in long and short is you can still continue to take other supplements for sure, and they're going to be good for you, with Oceans Alive having that deep level reset in your system. But make sure the supplements you take, double check, talk to the manufacturer, find places where you can get non-synthetics. Almost all B vitamins in the market are synthetic, but there are non-synthetic B vitamins that are actually grown raw from a vegetable source. So you can do that. You can find it in different other places, but natural is the key. Heirloom original is even more the key, which of course the Oceans Alive is the only known original functional foundational heirloom strain of the two marine phytoplanktons that are in the product right now. So that's your answer in a nutshell. Thank you again.